Now time to start removing some of the snow. Wow, you can see the neighbors way down yonder. And look at this pile of snow I got here. Ah, I hear a snow blower next door. Sounds like it's got issues. Yeah, that's typical of a main jet, or the mixture not right. Anyway, so this is my big pile of snow, and we're just about ready to go here. 1973 Ariens Snow Blower. Let's see, I can't tell what you can see here. I can. All right. Let's see if we get a nice one-pull start out of this. Like I mentioned before, there is no rubber ball primer, so you have to press this in and roll the engine a couple of times to prime it. Like that. Okay. Throttle, chokes on. We should get a one pull. Nope. Too bad 4-Veer Wild snow blowers don't start this good. We'll let it run for a few minutes and warm up.